Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of ePrime. I am Deidran. The British High Commission hosted the second annual staging of the UK Jamaica Fair over the weekend under the theme Innovation UK Growth Driven by Innovation. The UKJA Fair provided guests with an arena to connect while providing opportunities both locally and within the UK.
If you've already been to the UK, there's some reminders of the things you might miss. But if you've never been to the UK, then there are little bits of Britain here for you to sample.
The event featured different booths with displays from the sponsors of the event, as well as performances from Immaculate Conception High, Mona Preparatory School, and a panel policy discussion under the theme Encouraging Growth and Better Business Through Innovation, Lessons Learned, and the Way Forward.
I think the best way we can do it is to actually open up the grounds and to say, on a given day, come and talk to us, come and enjoy what we have to offer, and do it through things people enjoy, whether it's through music, through food, through drink, and just convivial conversation. So, we're doing serious work, talking about business, innovation, and everything else, but also having fun at the same time.
I am brave. I am truth. This is who I'm meant to be. This is me. We are bursting through the barricade.
I really want to commend the UK High Commission for putting this cultural exchange program on. I mean, from a Jamaican perspective, one of the biggest features of our culture is food. And we at Continental Baking Company, National Bakery, have been privileged and we have been selling our Jamaican culture in terms of food in the UK for over 10 years now.
Part of this year's celebration was the Jamaica National Group partnering with the High Commission to host the Songs of UK NJA competition, which saw Kamari Ewan being named the winner of that competition. Ewan won 2 tickets to London courtesy of Virgin Atlantic Airways.
So won't you help to sing, yeah, these songs of freedom, 'cause all I ever heard, redemption song, oh, redemption song.
It's been a thrill throughout the entire competition, and I'm so happy that all my hard work has paid off. And I can't wait for next year's edition of this competition.
The fair bridges the gap between consumers, business owners, and industry leaders from the UK and Jamaica, facilitating countless opportunities for growth and collaboration. More dates added to reggae icon Buju Banton's Long Walk to Freedom Caribbean concert. The tour will see Buju Banton making stops in the Bahamas on March 30, Trinidad and Tobago on April 21, Grenada on May 11, and St. Kitts on June 29. Organizers of the event noted that more dates will be added to the lineup soon. The Long Walk to Freedom tour will start right here in Jamaica on March 16 at the National Stadium. Among the acts already confirmed for the highly anticipated show are reggae artist Chronix and veteran Kokati. Remain Virgo, Etana, Delhi Ranks, Agent Sasko, Ghost, and Banton's son Jazeel. That's it for this evening's edition of ePrime. I am Deidran. Thank you for watching.